I put up a poll recently on my channel asking you if you wanted Deepika's eye look or you wanted a review on a new collection by Colourpop. You made it pretty sure that it was Deepika Padukone's look, and that's exactly what we are going to do. So if you want to learn how to get this easy black smoky eye without making a mess or whether looking like a panda, let's start today's tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be a bit different. Instead of priming our eyes like I normally do, we're not going to do that. Instead, we're going to go in with this palette and with the shade Brunch on a flat dome brush, and we're going to apply it directly on the eye. Focus on where I'm applying it and make sure it's close to the lash line. You want to keep a gap between the eye socket and the color that you're using right now. And now with a pencil brush, let's blend any harsh lines that appear. The smaller it is, the easier it is to blend into the next shadow. And now with the Refer O2 brush, going in with the shade Renegade, let's apply that and set the dark shade. Since you're setting it in place, it will not move around during the day or night if you prefer to apply it then. With the Refer 13 brush and the shade Hope, let's apply that just on top of the previous shade. Try to blend it as much as you can. With the shade Brave on the same brush, let's try and blend that into our skin tone as much as we can. And finally with the shade Liberty, let's blend that into the skin tone. It should look seamless like this. And your eye should look something like this now. With the Huda Beauty Creamy Kohl pencil, let's apply that to the lower lash line, which is also known as the waterline. Don't forget to tightline too for that extra smoky finish. Now with the dome brush, let's go in with the shade Hope and apply that on the lower lash line. If you want it more smoky, go for black, but brown can be more forgiving and easier to blend. Use any lash curler that you might have and use it at least twice or thrice. And then go in with a lengthening mascara and apply that on your lashes. For these kind of bold looks, I like to apply it at least 2 to 3 times. Elongate your lower lashes too for that extra fanned out finish. And there you have it guys, this is the smoky eye tutorial which is inspired by Deepika Padukone. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video on Monday. See you guys, have a good one, bye.